the year. Today I'm gonna walk you through complete informations regarding Canva, how to create and all its features. And this is going to be useful for the people who are into a graphic design platform or in a social media graphics and presentation posters, and people who are using documents and creating resume. Oh, whatever profile you are into, Canva is one such easiest way that you can create any kind of posters or logos, anything that it is easy with Canva. So Canva, if you can go to home page, these are the canvas that I already have created my own designs. It is all, it shows that all your designs. So far whatever the designs that I have created and downloaded, those will be there on my design folder and share with you. These are the shared one. So far I haven't shared anything, so that is things. All your folders, whatever the folders that I have in my thing, and threshold is like you can, whatever you have deleted so far will be here, and nothing is been stored in my threshold. So if you want to create a team, you can give a team name and logo. Then if you can continue, you can give a email ID of your team, so that your team can associate with you and start working together. So next thing is how to create is like you can go to create and design. It is in a left right hand side, top of the corner. You could see the dark blue. Click on a creative design in order to design your new things. There is a drop down here, so multiple options given: invitations, portrait, and YouTube thumbnail, Pinterest, posters, Instagrams. You can create a logo, flyers, and presentations. If you wanted to create your YouTube videos and YouTube channel art, Facebook posts, resumes, infographics, and photo collage, and banners, landscape, and blog banners, menu, your story, Facebook, anything that you wanted to create, you can create. For example, if you can click it on invitations, so once you create on invitations, you will get a blank page. Here on your left hand side, you will be getting a lot of options, where it is a pro and free. You can click it on any of the free options, and you can create your own designs. And as it is a Christmas season, you can always go here on a Elementor. Here you will get a lot of Christmas option also. You can type it over here, Christmas. So related to Christmas also, you will get a lot of elements that you can add here, and you can change your text, or you can change your logo. Anything is everything is going to be easy with the Canva. So these are the things that you can really magic with Canva. And you can always add elements. You have a number of options that anything and everything you can drag and drop here, as long as it is free of cost. So if you are looking for a pro versions, you have to pay and get those things. So I would suggest to better go for a normal one itself only. Again, I have come back to the creators, and I wanted to show you infographics. Infographics also is like one such super easy things that you can give all of your multiple knowledge or content in a one sheet of infographics. And you can give you can just go ahead and edit whatever you don't want and download. Here once you go to download, there is a lot of options are available. You can download via MP4 video or GIF folder or PDF or JPEG or PNG folder, whichever the way that is easy, as long as for your convenience you can do so. So now I wanted to show you the logo creation. In this, logo is also one of the easiest way that you can do here on Google Canva. Here n number of logos by default it is available. You can go ahead and choose whichever the logos that you are looking for, and all these things are pro versions. You can skip it and directly you can go for a Free version, one of the disadvantages is not has comparatively your Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop, the resolution wise it's not that quality. Otherwise it's for a YouTube channel and all you can use it for. It is not that necessary of a quality version. And you can always upload photos from your media, and once you click on a media, the browser folder will open. You can go here and browse it whichever you wanted. Once you browse over there, immediately you will get those pictures here. In order to get that here on your page, you can just go ahead and click it on that. A single click will help you drag those things here directly. So you can add text, and you can move your picture wherever you wanted. Otherwise you can just go ahead and create your own templates however you wanted to. You just put the your own pictures over there to avoid the copyright strikes, and you can hit the background colors. You can choose any of the colors that you wanted for your backgrounds, or you can add your text. Yes, you can add any number of text here for your convenient. And yeah, these are the editing that you can do. You can always use this background also for your Canva design, and use it according to your convenient. And yeah, templates, you can use any kind of templates that you wanted. So Canva is one such easy way that you can drag and drop and download and upload to anywhere. So I hope this class is so much useful for you guys. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you and have a great day.